Oh, that's CSX. That's CSX.
It's my glove. Thank you.
378.
378. Amtrak.
And CSX.
Amtrak's here.
It got wedged up underneath
guess what,
its
gang?
cowcatcher.
I heard.
They made it to here.
I heard.
Amtrak's right here.
And tried to knock it
Yeah,
off.
I heard that there's a track 1.
Is
Amtrak. There's Amtrak.
He's on the track 2. Looks like he's on the other
he's
side.
on 2. This one's on 2, Kendall.
Do I? I'm on 1.
Look look. See, now they're about to cross the tracks. They're like, what? Amtrak's on track 2?
No, that sounds like a freight train. It's got that roar to it. I think that's probably a freight train.
This is a freight train.
You're on the wrong one.
This is a freight
Well, I
train.
put search. I don't.
Yeah, it is.
Jim, nobody's crossing, man. Nobody's crossing.
Look who's helping them. There's an older unit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
See,
Number 160.
there you are, guys.
518. 615, 6110, 610, 56. Oh, look, the other one's coming, CSX.
CSX coming too.
Edward Eulin.
Here comes CSX.
Again!
They say clear Rockville out. It's clear.
This is exciting.
That's just the Weather Channel.
That's a
You're on the Weather Channel.
No, this is CSX. Main line.
Hold on a second.
And here comes CSX.
Jim! Jim!
Here he comes.
CSX coming! See, nobody's still crossing. They should be crossing.
Well, they don't know yet. They'll have to do the frantic run.
See, now they have to go all the way under. And he just turned yellow. And this one. Get out of there!
So hard for those poor
Look, he's way behind. He's all the way over
People are gonna
there.
have to go down that stairs and back up.
That's
He's
me.
coming. I know, that's us, Kendall.
That's me.
That's
I'm
us.
fine. Well, he's going down here. It's going like this. It's going down a little bit.
Where's he going? A black hole?
who worked with Amtrak for
He really likes CSX trains. No offense. CSX is at Randolph Road. CSX.
CS headlight?
very interesting. And evidently they just forcefully retired 300.
Put it to
So there's
put
gonna
it
be
to
a change.
160
You do it.
2300.
I can't undock. I don't know how.
Oh, I gotta hold this scanner and this.
You can do it now.
What did you do for
Oh, stupid weather stupid
Oh, lights off.
stupid weather channel.
Hey, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Look at that. CSX turned off his bottom lights. Now he's just dim.
Oh
He's
my
just on
gosh.
dim.
No, I don't want 157.
CSX on dim. CSX
Look, now everybody went. He turned his dim lights all off. All right, look, you can see his. You can. Oh, he turned it back on. He turned it. He just turned it back on.
This guy over here says drug abuse. Some sort of abuse.
Crap.
Substance abuse.
Oh my gosh.
With the engineer.
I mean, how can these people...
Depart Rockville. Depart Amtrak.
I'm on 157, 38, 75.
Depart.
Okay, let's get that.
Pop, can you hold this
Get
for a
no
sec?
warmer.
Can you hold this?
CSX coming hot.
Sorry.
CSX. Go first.
Stop holding it there. Stop holding it.
No.
He's not stopping, is
Yes, he is.
he? No, I mean,
The freight is.
tell me that freight's coming through.
Yeah, yeah.
No, he's slowing down.
That's right.
He's letting Amtrak go first.
Can you turn this until till it hits 160.
Who's your guy?
Kendall, can you turn this till it says 160?
Oh, there he comes.
Turn his radio. He's got a radio.
Here.
Coming now.
Okay, now he's coming.
Step back, guys.
Here comes
Here we
Mr.
go.
Freight.
Jim! He's right here. Are you coming? Right here. Oh my God! What?
See the last engine, that little switcher was on there. What was
I
that?
know. He had the switcher.
He had a switcher. It's very unusual. Yeah.
Look, he got the dumpster car there.
Trash. They all stink in summertime.
Probably going to the dump.